Kinda creepy. Not cute at all. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. This is Xavier, and today we're going to be watching Doctor Who. It's the start of the 60th anniversary specials. There are going to be 3 specials, and then there's going to be a Christmas special after that. And I think in this Christmas special we're going to see Ncuti Gatwa, who's going to be the 15th Doctor. As we saw in my last reaction to Doctor Who, David Tennant became the 14th Doctor after Jodie Whittaker regenerated, and David Tennant was previously the 10th Doctor, and now he's the 14th. And how did that happen? Also, Donna Noble is back. Catherine Tate's in Donna Noble again. We're going to see Neil Patrick Harris as, I think he's called the Toy Maker. I'm not sure when he's supposed to show up, in which one of these 3 specials he's supposed to show up in, but he shows up. And yeah, I'm so really looking forward to this. It's been months without Doctor Who. We finally have some Doctor Who back. I'm so ready for it. And let's read this. And it's on Disney Plus now, so that's a new change. Alright, let me read this synopsis. The Doctor is caught in a fight to the death as a spaceship crash lands on London. But as the battle wreaks havoc, destiny is converging on the Doctor's old friend, Donna. Let's get into it.
Once upon a time, Lord.
Oh, his last series, his last special, that was the name.
And a human. We traveled the stars together.
Sometimes
was it Once Upon a Time?
Impossible.
I don't remember. I had to check that.
Donna saved the entire universe by taking the power of the Time Lords into her mind at a terrible cost.
Binary.
She had to forget everything she ever knew.
No.
I guess this is for new viewers. They're doing
Because if
this.
Donna ever remembers me, she will die.
And now I've got a nice life.
She will die, yes.
But I just think something's missing.
I can never see Donna again. But now this face has come back. Why?
Why?
In the air. About to break.
I think the story hasn't ended yet.
Ooh, new theme. Retro title card. I like the new twist on the theme. It's always gonna be the same. I don't know the words, but how it sounds, it's just gonna be a little shifted up based on whoever is series producer and everything. Who's the showrunner?
Hold on.
Oh yeah, that's one of the things. His clothes changed too.
Thank you very much.
Jodie's clothes changed when she changed back to David.
I said never trust a man with a goatee. He looked like he'd been stuck in a drain pipe. I said, Mum,
There's a plane crashing.
but watch me stack correctly.
I don't think that's a plane.
That's a spaceship.
Trouble.
Mum, look, it's a spaceship.
You can wear a suit that tight up to the age of 35 and no further.
Okay then.
A master of the knowledge. That says Grand Mistress.
Oh, catch up.
Donna gave it all away. To charity, every single penny. Well, we bought the house, that's the one thing we did do. Now we can't afford to run it. Do I complain? No, I do not. That's the great love story, mate. Me putting up with that.
Okay.
I'm here at the front.
Kind of wild to give away $166 million. Oh, interesting way to crash. No, or did they, no debris or anything like that? Yeah, that's weird. You think there'd be like some debris? There should be debris. Why is there no debris?
At the last minute, it pulls up, then settles.
Ah, they addressed it.
That ship didn't crash.
Exactly.
It parked.
No signs of life?
Not yet.
I'm glad they addressed that.
It is not my fault I lost my job. All right, it is my fault, but still.
I would burn down the world for you, darling. Anyone has a go, I will be there, and I will descend.
Yeah, she's protective. Yeah, like she usually is. Interesting that her mom, Donna's mom, is like pretending there's no aliens or spaceships or anything like that. Guess to protect her. Makes sense.
Where the hell did she come from? How lucky am I? Don't you, Mum?
Oh, yes, definitely.
I should be really happy. But some nights, I lie in bed thinking, what have I lost?
A lot. You've lost a lot, Donna. Is this a creature furball thing that I saw in the promos? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Kind of creepy. Not cute at all.
Leave him! It is the meat we seek. Continue the hunt!
Okay. I genuinely thought they were gonna kill the kid a while ago. They're not that kind of alien. It's way too early in this thing to kill children. You gotta wait to the end like Torchwood to kill the children.
Ann Bingham, Unit Scientific Advisor number 56.
Oh, I was scientific advisor number 1.
No, I know. I've read the files. I'm going to get a bonus just for meeting you.
My best friend in the whole wide universe. I absolutely love her. Oh, do I say things like that now?
Sounds like a good thing to say.
Yeah, kinda.
Do not fire without my command.
What is that? Okay, it's controlling them. Intriguing.
You've got stuffing inside.
You pulled its tummy out.
No, keep it.
And those eyes are amazing. They look so real. They look... Did it jump?
No, it didn't.
What the hell? Get off me, you space rat!
Oh, wow, he's so cute.
No!
Skinny man!
No, it isn't. No, he's not there. You can't see him. And there's no monster. Oh, for the love of God, none of this is real.
It smells nice.
We are close. The meep is near.
We should think about it.
Oh. Okay, I guess the ship is for the bug people.
I love that man. I'm so sorry for your loss.
He's not dead, you idiot.
Oh.
And he's 94, he can't manage the stairs.
Oh.
We demand to search the house. This has been declared a military zone.
Not today, thanks.
I think we need to run. Broad attack formation.
Oh, on both sides. Oh, that's a new ability. I've never seen that before. Sonic can do that. Well, Jack did use his Sonic to cut a hole and then in the floor and then put it back. So yeah, you could see how it could go from there. So not too far of a stretch, for real.
Come on, the meat! Come on! That's it!
Of course they can fly. It makes sense.
Open fire!
Wow, they spent some money on this, for sure. I like it.
Either we escaped, or we've got things very, very wrong.
Is the meat lying? Is that what you're saying, Doctor?
This court is now in session. Intercept teleport! I'm invoking Shadow Proclamation Protocols 15, P, and 6. Under my jurisdiction, there will be no violence until such time as I deem it fit and proper. Is that understood?
Guns apply a mild and harmless neural anesthetic. For the record, my name is Sergeant Zogroth.
And I am Constable Zreeg.
Were they coming to hurt you, the meat? Or save you?
Save him.
Your turn, the meat. Witness for the defense. So, what are you saying?
Oh, to hell with this! No stun guns for me! Just die!
Kill me and fail to take this family hostage, you'll never find out, will you?
Yes, indeed.
This planet than a double-bladed dagger drive, because that thing is gonna...
See, I knew I hated the beat for I didn't hate him. I knew it was ugly for a reason. I thought it was ugly for a reason. I'm glad I was proven right.
Why?
Because.
She knew she needed to be in London for a reason.
Out there where people are in danger and in pain and fear. And I could help.
Human scum! Behold my vessel to the stars, far beyond your tiny grasping minds.
I name this ship the Delusions of Grandeur.
Don't just fire darts, mate.
Oh, okay.
I love you, Sean. But if the doctor can't save the city, we're all gonna die. I've got to help.
Donna!
She called him doctor. Come on.
That memory kicks in like hell.
Deadlock!
All these acrobatics.
You can't.
But she will. She has to.
You'll die.
My daughter is down there.
Ignition in 180.
And it's not just for us.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
I'm just no.
No, you are not.
You're Donna.
Why does it have to be this?
Entering final sequence.
Gotta do it, Doctor.
Binary. 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 I gave away my money.
Yes, he did.
I gave away all my money.
Yeah, you have a more person.
Kind, so I could be nice, so I could be helpful.
The ship.
Yes, Donna, but destruction of London?
Yeah, please.
In reverse.
Oh, interesting.
To say goodbye.
Maybe. I don't think Donna's gonna die here though. Pretty sure she's in the other two specials.
What?
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 You're not dead. But how?
Closing down all psychedelic lightwave emanation. Father, Doctor.
Oh, she is from another planet.
Too much power for one person, but you had a child, and the meta crisis passed down.
Oh,
It was always there.
clever, clever.
Happy now.
My father would be impressed. I have no higher compliment.
Engines that rapture this world and damn us all to hell, then I will.
There you go.
Creature with two hearts is such a rare thing. Just wait till I tell the boss.
Cryptic. I hate that.
Yeah. I like it.
Let it go. And we choose to let it go.
Like I said, mate, how lucky am I?
Oh, so did it. I guess he really. Well, the doctor did just transfer his energy into the hand, so it kind of works for me.
To see the doctor one last time.
Oh, right, but one trip, that's all, just one.
One long trip.
A lot of husbands would worry. You know, me in a box with another man.
Yeah, but not him.
This is amazing!
Ooh, I like the new TARDIS. I don't know, it's giving me a little vibe. I like it.
It's gorgeous! You've been given a second chance. You can do things different this time. So why don't you do something completely new and have some friends?
Yeah. Maybe, yeah.
Like now, here we are, having a coffee. What's gonna go wrong? Oh my God,
We could end up anywhere in time and space.
Oh, alright, so I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, but yeah, so that was the first special. Oops, I forgot, I knew the name, I forgot the name. Let me check the name. The Star Beast. Right, so the Star Beast, and that was the meep. And yeah, so I was judgmental of the meep. Well, I feel vindicated that I was right, that they were up to, that the meep was up to no good. I don't know, there was this little vibe. Thinking, but I didn't expand on it more because it was just a little there. But you know, I was going with the flow. I was letting the story take me along. But I'm glad that there was a twist. I'm glad it was a little something, something. I'm glad that it wasn't all fully right, because why would the soldiers be fighting the Wrath? First I was thinking, is that this? It wasn't. I didn't know that, cause wouldn't. Wait. Right, cause the soldiers wouldn't have been in control of the something, the presence. Yeah, that makes sense. It was right in front of my face. I was wondering, but I didn't quite put it together all the way. So it was Good writing. Kind of like RT did there. Good writing. Everything was laid out. If you were paying attention, see it, because you can easily put it back together. Because I picked up on the stuff, but I didn't quite put it together without the little push. So yeah, I get it. Good writing. I like the story. Quintessential Doctor Who. I wouldn't write it as like the best thing ever, but it was good little re-emergence of Tennant as Doctor. We get Donna back. Nice little cheesy ending there a little bit. I think the end could have been a little bit better, but I like everything overall. So carrying up the story. You know, we get the Meep coming down. We meet Donna, her family and stuff. Her only see that her mom is really trying hard to pretend that aliens and spaceships and everything aren't real. Donna is, she's happy at 90% happy, but the 10% is just there occasionally, just gnawing at her mind. She's like, what is this thing that I'm missing? I kind of figured it out. It makes sense because even though it was only like a few years, being with the Doctor, that's like being a companion of the Doctor, that's like a really big thing because you're seeing space, you're encountering universal threats, worldly threats, and she stopped like a universal multi-universe? I don't remember. It was like a universal threat when she came to Dr. Donna. That's a whole thing. Of course, that's a big thing to forget, and you know. So it makes sense that she would miss out on that. And yeah, so we get to see Unit. Interesting that we didn't see Kate here. I think she show. I'm pretty sure she shows up later on, but I don't remember. I know a past companion, not Donna, shows up. I don't remember who. I'll probably put it somewhere here. But yeah, past companion shows up also. So, and the boss will be, I'm assuming, will be the Time Maker. Because they're probably gonna show up in the third special, and it's gonna be the reason for the Doctor's regeneration into Shooty. Oh yeah. No, I'm not speculating too much. But yeah, that's something. But then, is Tennant in the Christmas special? Is that purely the Shooty thing, and he's gonna regenerate? Tennant is gonna regenerate at the end of this third special. Something to ponder. But yeah, overall I liked the energy, I liked everything about it. It was good action scenes, they spend that money well, can't knock it. Really no complaints. There's certain things I think could have been done better, but I'm not gonna harp on it too much because, you know, it's not really important. The most important is that we had a good time. As you could see during my reaction, I was into it. It wasn't like, grabbing onto the chair or anything, but I was actually into it. I felt it. The story captured me, and the episode captured me, and that's the minimum you can expect. That's all you need. And so, it's not that 10 out of 10 thing, it's maybe like a 7.5 or something like that, but that's good enough because I liked it. And so that's where I'm going to end it right now. I'm looking forward to the rest of the specials. Goodbye.